Back in August last year, we were racing across Greece in order to get up to Nidri, where Cindy had booked a flight back to the UK as her daughter was having a major operation. While doing some housekeeping and tidying up some files, I found an SD card from our big camera, and I realised some of this was lost footage that you hadn't seen before. So I've put it together in a short video. Here's the Gulf of Corinth and our track through it, and this is the amazing Rio Bridge.
We've been given our instructions to go under the bridge. Okay there, Captain?
I know they always look lower, and I know what our air draft is, but it does look close. But
there's lots of traffic that goes under it. They know what they're doing.
Yeah, they know where they're sending us, and I told him we've got 20 metres air draft, and we haven't. We've got
18.4.
No, it's about 16 plus the aerial, but the aerial bends, so not as close as Ryan and Brittany down the ICW, but yeah, it's bridges always look low. That one at La Rochelle that we went under with 30 metres clearance was we thought was low, and then we did Guardiana,
and that was low.
That was low. The aerial went down the expansion joint in the bridge as we went under. No, but Captain Chaos, do you remember? He turned around.
Yeah.
It's in one of our videos. I'll put a link here to the video. We called him Captain Chaos. We went under the bridge and he got, I guess, 30 metres from it. Suddenly decided he wasn't going to do it. Turned right round in the middle of the river. So we had to go through at low water, which meant under the bridge was shallow. To give us clearance. Someone calling in now. Apparently, Jay said this morning, sent me a message, said Ian on Blown Away is coming the other way. So we'll be like ships that passed in the early morning. Give him a wave. He's coming down this way, so we're going up to where he was.